Assalam-o-Alaikum Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will learn the most important topic in CSS and which is display property. Display property actually does what? It controls the layout of an element on the page. All HTML elements are naturally displayed in one of the following ways: block, inline, non-inline, block. The first property we are going to discuss is an inline, not block property. Okay, the block property actually does what? It always start on a new line and takes up the full width of the page from left to right. The default value of display property is block, is always block. As you can see, there are two p tags here, and the background color of these two p tags are red. If I run this, okay, as you can see, I have two p tags, and the background color of these two p tags are red. And these two p tags are the property, display property of these two p tags are default property, means block. Okay, the block level elements start from left to right and it takes up the full width of the page. Okay, I'm not giving the any property, so that's why the default property is what? Block. If I'm giving the property and this is block. As you can see, can nothing happen. Okay, so the second property we are going to discuss is an inline property. An inline property actually does what? It does not cause a line break, means that it does not start on a new line and does not take up the full width of the page. Only the space bounded by its opening and closing tag. It means that it takes the minimum space as possible. The most important thing about inline property is that we cannot change the width and height of the inline element, but we can change the width and height of an element in block property. If I change the value of property, as you can see, it takes the minimum space as possible. Okay, it does not start on a new line. Okay, so this is the major difference. And we can't change the width and height of the specific element, targeted element in inline property. For example, if I change the width and height, what happened? Nothing happened. Okay, because we can't change. The third property we are going to discuss is an inline block property. It actually does what? It is a hybrid of inline and block element. The benefit of inline block property is it's look like a block level element. It means that in which we can change the width and height of the particular targeted element. For example, if we go back to the page and refresh, as you can see, okay, these p tags have width and height. Okay, and the width and height of these p tags are here. Width is 200 and height is 300 pixels. Okay, the third property we are going to discuss is a none property. It's straightforward display property. Okay, okay, none. Okay, As you can see, the both elements disappear. The none property removes all the targeted element with its child element from the page. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe the channel for more updation. Thank you so much.